Living in Laguna Beach. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you're new here, my name is Ryan.Huggins. I'm a local real estate agent here in Laguna Beach, and I love bringing you all of the information about what's happening in our current market. So today we are at an amazing property. Look at this view. Look how close we are to the ocean. Also, we are so close to Main Beach. It is absolutely incredible. Today we are at 866 Coast View, and this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,850 square foot, and this one is going for $3,850,000. So if you need any information about this property, you're going to be able to find it down in the description. And this property is brought to you by Chad CONCOLINO, Main Beach Realty, right here in downtown Laguna Beach. So if you have any questions, feel free to check that description right down below. Now let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna start off right here, walking out the patio from the kitchen. And like I said, here is the view. Now today, it's a little cloudy, a little overcast, but during a bright sunshiny day, you'll be able to see Catalina Island. This patio is set up perfect to entertain out here. You can see, you can come hang out, read a book, drink your tea, your coffee in the morning, and enjoy that view. Very great way to start off your day. Over here is the remainder of the balcony. This thing wraps around the whole side of the house. It does have a nice view into the kitchen. And also you take a look at the backyard. It does have a koi pond, which we'll get into that here in just a minute. So we're gonna continue on our journey. We do also have a second entry here off of the kitchen as well, but we'll come right into our grand opening from the patio into the kitchen. You can see tons and tons of storage space. It also has the refrigerator matching the cabinets. You can see double stove, double oven with the Thermador oven there. You got the Viking stove, 6-burner with the matching island. And this is a great space to spend a lot of time, interact with the family, have the friends over, leading us over here to the dining room. And we will head down those stairs, but look at that crazy view out of that window as well. We'll jump over there also. So coming out now into the back patio, great spot for grilling. As you can see here, it's very tranquil, almost like a tiki vibe. You can see right there, you can fill that up with your koi, or you can also go ahead and just imagine clearing all of this out and making your own backyard oasis back here. Lots of possibilities without a doubt. We're gonna make our way over here to the other side. This is the more quiet location in the backyard. You can see this also has an entry into the study, which we'll get into in just a minute. So let's go ahead and go back through the kitchen entrance where we just came out of, and we'll head to the other side of the first floor. Again, this is the first floor we're checking out here today. Over here, we do have the living room. The living room does also have a bonus/TV room area. You can see what the tall ceilings in this area. And that'll bring us over here into this nice little room with all the windows. These can be cleaned up, make it look really, really nice for hanging out as well. There's also a patio leading to this side of the house. And it's a little section for in case you need to get some fresh air. This also has this beautiful mantle, the nice fireplace. And as we've mentioned before in our videos, Laguna Beach is fireplace friendly indoors with actual fire, not gas, as long as you have the ember suppressant at the top of your chimney, which most of them already do anyway, but it is nice on a cool winter's day to have that beautiful fire going. Coming down to the first floor, or second floor, but this would be your entry here. This wraps around to your parking. Now, in Laguna Beach, parking is at an extreme premium. So let me show you here. As you come down your stairs, you will actually have 2 driveway parkings. And you could potentially fit a third, potentially even fourth car, as well as a 2-car garage. So you can pull vehicles in, park here. And there is also street parking, but it is very limited. So let's head back up. This is what it's going to look like when you come in your house from outside. Obviously, there is interior entry from the garage, but this would be heading up. If you had your guests come over, this is what it would look like. All right, and then here at the top of the landing, this is the door that we just exited from the stairs. So once you enter here to the left, you're going to have your master bedroom. The master bedroom, if you close the master door, you still have special access to your patio. And this considered the second floor. Does also have lots of patio space here. You know, you could actually get rid of these flowers if you wanted, have more space. You also have your air conditioning unit and a hot tub off the master, which we'll show you here in just a moment. Heading back in, there's also a second exit here in case you wanted to go out. Heading into the bathroom now, has a cool clawfoot tub currently. And it does have the full standing shower. Has the water closet for privacy. People can continue getting ready. Double vanity, walk-in closet. Plenty of hanging space, storage space in there. Now we will head to the other side, and then we'll shortly be going downstairs to the third floor. Head over to this side of the house, and over here we have bedroom number 2. Has the closet there. It also has a shared, basically combo bonus room here with the other bedroom, which we'll show you here in just a moment. But this is nice little office working space. The vibe is very Hawaii here with all of the bamboo and the trees and everything. Very, very tranquil, as we said. Bedroom number 3. And this leads to that shared bonus room that we talked about. All right, exiting into the bathroom here. And this bathroom would be a shared bathroom with the bedrooms on this side of the house. Double vanity as well. Standing shower. And here we have another bedroom. This one's currently being used as an office and also a gym. And you can see this one has its own doorway as well. We'll go ahead and walk all the way through the room to the little back alleyway here. You can see this wraps around the whole house. So if you needed some sort of outdoor storage. And it brings us over to the outdoor sauna. Above ground hot tub. All right, and we exit the room. We do also have some storage closets here, bringing us around the landing. Getting back to where the master is. Heading us down to the 3rd level, which is going to give us garage access as you get to the bottom here. And we talked about this from the front view. Obviously, it's a little full of stuff for right now, but this is a 2-car garage. Can easily fit those 2 cars. Also down here to the room to the left, we do also have the laundry room here with plenty of laundry closet space, but there's a huge amount of storage. You can use it for storage. You can use it for a table. Anything that you would like to use it for down here. In here you have your air handler for your AC and also your water heater. Still in good shape. And then here we have another bonus storage room.